Welcome to the video. It has been the 1st of May, meaning kiro-iso is out. I'm making all the videos. I split the what is new video into pieces, otherwise it's a long video. And we're at number 8, complete a new look at ChatWM. And together with Claude, we've written some C code to do my bidding, basically, my ideas. The inspiration, the spark of energy came from oh-my-chadwm. I said, oh, that looks nice. Only thing that I don't want is that it's on Hyperland, right? I want this to be on C, on ChatWM, on DWM. So all the functionality, and that's basically the prompt I told Claude, look at oh-my-chadwm, here it is in the folder, git clone, right? Have a look, see what it does, see what it gives to the user. I want that on X11. Let's create a new ChatWM. I've given it the name like oh-my-bash and oh-my-zsh. I've given it the name oh-my-chadwm, right? Because it really is completely different. And we're looking at it, we're working on it as you speak. One of the things that are super interesting is that you can already have 43 color themes, right? Because it's that addictive to create a new theme. I have 43 of them. And it basically says, here's a wallpaper, or you give it a wallpaper, and there are plenty of wallpapers in the world, and then design me something, right? And it does that automatically. And a lot of designs, a lot of iterations went over it. So basically, lots of color themes have been added, a lot of parameters have been added, as you see. A lot of choices can be done. So the theme preview generation scripts have been generated, config compile. There's SL status to have the time up here. And yes, I've put my time in there. It's the 2nd of May 2026, because quite recently it said 26.04.26, right? So at some point in time there in the calendar, it got confusing what day it was. So anyway, back to my own settings like day, month, and year. It's only switch around. You build SL status again, and it's again, well, year, month, date, right? So all the rest, well, a lot of information, right? You can read it in the Claude ND and the changelog. It's all online. Of course, it's also local. So this is where it's at, and you can see with GitHub, for example, what has been changed over time. Here is my day change, right? From year, month, day to day, month, year. And lots of things have changed. Menus, colors of and install things here, scripts, themes that go away and go back in. The test was a script and test theme. And then they stay. I've looked at the Nord scheme, so there are a lot. If you go to the website, to the internet, right, Nord color scheme or something, you'll see that there are more than just one. There are polar night, snowstorm, frost. So I told them, look at that website, look at the colors, create me those themes. Claude does that for you, right? And then you get these themes. So without further ado, that is the selling point, right? For oh-my-chadwm, let's just boot into Cairo, where it is already present, and do one exercise, right? There is more to learn about ChatWM. If you are already well versed in DWM, it won't be an issue. And we boot straight into a Japanese kind of workspace, right? 1, 2, 3, and yes, there are tons of choices. You just type in text, it's up to you. And that's all in the menu, right mouse click. You have these apps, that's the thing we always use, right? What will we launch? Fine. There's the button up here, but we do have a right mouse click. And in this thing, so it feels like, hey, it's open box or what? No, it's ChatWM. Style, all kinds of things. So that's the clock up there. Wallpapers that we can choose, fonts that we're gonna apply globally. Hard to reset everything back again. We were playing around and we messed it up. Hard to reset everything back the way we see it now, right? But in here, there is so many things. And choose theme. These are all kind of themes you can choose, colorings that you can choose. You have to give it a name, and then the rest, it's 16 million colors to choose for the menu, the title, the selection, right? You just choose. Venom is actually what you maybe think it is, right? That one. And if you want to change the theme, maybe another font. Do you want another font? Theme font is that. Apply to alacritty, kitty, etc. Yes, no. Enter is no. And it's gonna build it, because ChadwM is not your regular kind of system, right? It's actually an application. You build an application, you restart, application restarts. It's not the config that's working, it's the build that's working now. That's important, right? That's why we have to build it, that's why we have to reboot it and let it apply, because the look will be different, right? It will be this look. That will be the look. This will be red. Colors will be strange. The buttons up here are strange. Like I said, tons of choices for your buttons if you don't like the Chinese kind of thing. Super Alt Enter is there, right? 3 ways. Super Alt Enter, 1, click, 2, right mouse click, 3. And then maybe just let's go for a wallpaper. Alt N kicks in variety. Variety has tons of wallpapers. You just go to, well, why not her, right? And then, nope, or her. And or this, no, Alt P, previous was better. Alt P, previous, right mouse click, and then we go for style. We go for oh-my-chadwm. We go for choose, create your own theme. And it's gonna suggest this. You can change the colors, adapt the colors, or you can say, okay, it's good for me, right? And continue. The wallpaper, you want to keep the wallpaper, sure. I don't know, a lowercase, a theme name, guys, a theme name. War Girl, I don't know. Okay, bar position at the top, the bottom. Let's do the bottom this time. Gap size, default 5. Let's take less, 2. Auto hide the bar after so many things. No, let's keep it, right? Disabled, okay. Show history, the thing up here. Do you want to see it? Actually, none of it. I need none of it, right? So, no. Border width, how big is the border? Let's go for 1, or maybe 3. Let's go a little bit thicker. Remove gaps and only, no. Then this thing, default layout, dwindle is what I like, which is actually this, right? It's getting smaller and smaller, that's dwindle. Super Q, super Q, super Q, super Q. So 0 is the default, otherwise it's grid, B-stack, spiral, why not 2, right? Choose all kind of things. Nerd fonts, Arabic, Roman, powerline, glyphs, web things, Chinese as well, geometric, that was what we are looking at up there. Emojis, right? Alpha, let's take alpha, been a while. And then mask tags, alpha, number of windows, blah blah, keep default font, sure, or gonna change the font, no, you select a lot of fonts. Also, it is interesting, right, to change the appearance with fonts. It becomes completely different as a feel. Apply the font, yes. Fix this wallpaper, sure, beautiful wallpaper. Run the rebuild, right? Remember, it's not reading configs, it's actually building with the config. And then you need to reboot. It's gonna launch the app, which we now built, which has now a different look and a different wallpaper, right? And a name. You can always get it back. The only thing you need to do is put it safe somewhere, right? Have it safe. And we have here the ABCs down here. And this is what we get now. I feel that's fun, right? I mean, it was addictive to create all these themes. We have here where we need to go, right? Read everything, right? We can't go in too much detail, but basically open up your editor, move this thing over here and go read everything, right? License, wallpaper. Most importantly is the ChadwM, of course, the version, and this one. This is where we change things. And I invite Sidak from ChadwM to have a look at what we've done here, because There's many possibilities. It really has changed considerably if you compare it with archlinux, right? There are so many things that we can now add. These are all themes, right? This, not even this. There are, of course, themes from the old ChadWm, like this one, that one, right? But so many other new themes. And here is Wargirl, right? And Doctor Who is there, and Star Wars is there. So the wallpaper from Star Wars is there as well. But a lot of parameters. Top bar, yes, no. Bottom, top. Gaps, how many, right? How many pixels between them? So it's all decided. And of course, you can always change it back and edit it. And that's going to be in the themes. Somewhere there is themes. Somewhere there is Wargirl. Where are you, my girl? And there she is, right? Theme top bar. Yes, I wanted to in the top bar. Okay. Theme gaps was a little bit too. Let's take 3. And again, it's a file. It's not saved. It's not oh-my-chadwm. It's not hyperlinked, right? It doesn't change on the spot. You need to rebuild it. It's an app. We're running an app, and that's why it's so responsive. That's why I love ChadWm or DWM, right? Because it's so super fast. It's an app that runs. It's built in C. It's super responsive, and yeah, I'm hooked on it, I guess. And yes, sure, there are other beautiful desktops, but you got to choose, right? And then go into depth. Study hyperlink if you like it, but do it and go into depth, not just superficial. So there you go. That's your oh-my-chadwm. There's so much more to tell you, but like I said, right, just start by reading. Use an AI. It says, look at this, right? Look at this. Basically, I can do that just by example. Claude, right? Let me give you the proper example. You go to oh-my-chadwm, you open here, open terminal, sudo pacman -s Claude something will give you Claude, right? And then you can actually talk to Claude. So okay, let's log in, Pro, Max, Theme, etc. I need to log in, and then he wants to browse and blah blah blah, go in. But you can actually tell him to look at this code, give me a summary of what's important. I want to change this, I want to change that. How can you help me do this? What should I add to my run script? What is a run script? What is, I don't know, config def h? Can you give me a summary of that particular file? What does it do? Do we even need vanity gipsy, etc., right? How many themes are there? It's gonna count it for you, you know, it's 44. I mean, anything you can ask in, it's here in the prompt, it's in the browser, it's in the EDI, so in Microsoft Visual Code is the one I'm using, has an extension, full Claude, and then voila, we communicate with it and become an expert in DWM or ChadWm, or in this case, oh-my-chadwm, right? And go adapt it to whatever you like it. That's the message. Learn more about AI. All right, cheers.